Hi guys, it's Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, MP3, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings.
Come test drive the 2019 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.